In a world where the digital landscape often feels overshadowed by chaos and uncertainty, a radiant light is beginning to emerge. This is not just any light, it symbolizes hope, transformation, and a vision that transcends the ordinary. It represents a groundbreaking company, built on the foundation of altruism and innovation, poised to reshape lives both online and offline. Imagine a place where technology serves humanity selflessly, where the mission is not profit-driven, but purpose-driven. This company is unlike any other. Conceived in faith and constructed by a trusted team of visionaries, its blueprint remains a closely guarded secret. Even now, as the internet seems dominated by shadows, this light promises a path to brighter possibilities. But its reach extends far beyond the digital realm. This company is set to touch the lives of those disconnected from the web, ensuring that its positive impact is felt by all. Over 1 million people have pledged to make this vision a reality. It's a commitment to a better world, driven by an ethos of care and compassion. Unlike the giants of today's business world, this company operates with a different heart. Its leaders prioritize lifting others over personal gain, charting a course that other corporations cannot follow. This is your invitation to be part of something extraordinary, to stand with a company that dares to dream of a brighter, more connected world. Together, we can step out of the shadows and into the light. The future is here. Are you ready to embrace it?